Today on 60-second favourites, we're going to be taking a look at the essential product offerings we do here at Click. So let's dive in and take a deeper look. So here we have the Easylink Connector. Now this is great for contractors as it allows you to connect multiple dry lining boxes together. Simply pop out the tabs of your dry lining box, slide in the connector, and you can connect multiple dry lining boxes together, allowing for a nice clean install. This prevents having to have wonky sockets and switches in a brand new install. All of our dry lining boxes are available in 35mm deep or 47mm, and they're now available in black. Next up, we have the 1 and 2 gang dual galvanized steel back boxes from Click. Now these have been designed to allow you to install deco products neatly next to each other, preventing having to make multiple knockouts in your wall. Here we have 2 single gang sockets or switches that can be put next to each other, or a single and a double. Again, this just means you're not going to have wonky sockets and switches in that brand new install. We also have a variety of depths available in just the standard galvanized steel back boxes. If you want to see more from us here at Click, please check out the website at Scolmore.com. We will put a link in the description below. And if you want to see more 60-second favourite videos from us, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button below.